Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, it looks like we might get a little bit of rain. But hey, if you're dressed for it, then it's not too bad. You gotta get out when you can. Anyway, today we're gonna look at the OneWind lightweight waterproof ground sheet. It's great for backpacking, hiking, camping, and cycling. And it's made out of silicone coated ripstop nylon. So we're gonna go test this out. Why don't you come along? Well, this looks like a good spot. So let's set up. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is a ground sheet, but because it comes in 3 sizes, and this being the large size, it can be used for a tent or a hammock fly, a footprint under a tent, or even a survival shelter. So we're going to put it through its paces today, so let's open it up. Now the thing about these OneWind ground sheets is that they don't come with any pegs and they don't come with any cordage. So if you're going to set it up as a shelter of some sort, then you're going to need to carry that as well. Now, one thing you can do if you don't have pegs, well, first of all, it's got little tabs here where you can put a peg through in each of the corners, but it also has pockets in the corners. Mosquito in my eyeglass here. Anyway, it also has pockets in the corners. So if you are on a beach or in the desert, you could actually fill these pockets with sand and it would stay in place. So let's put it on the ground and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm 5'6", so that's under 2 meters, and as you can see, it's longer than my body. I've got the 3 measurements for the different sizes, so I'll put those on the screen when I edit the video. This is the large size. Now, as I mentioned a little while ago, it's got tabs on the corners, but it also has tabs in various other locations as well. It has tabs in the corners for the tent pegs, as well as one in the middle. There's the other corner. And then along the long side, it has additional tabs. One right here, one right here, and here's the other corner. So as you can see, there's lots of room for me and my gear. And even if there was another person with me, they could share this dry spot to sit down and rest. Okay, let's see what else it can do. It can be used to extend the clean floor space in front of your tent. With a bit of cordage, you can set it up like this, as a rain fly or as protection against the sun for your tent and for your hammock. With a ridge line and a few stakes, it can be configured as an emergency survival shelter. I'm going to put a link down below in the video description for the OneWind website, so you can check out the other things like the dimensions, the weight, the prices. So I hope you found this video on the OneWind lightweight waterproof tarp informative. So till next time, this is Muskrat Jim, signing out.
more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.